that's too young to compete, but it's great to be out there and have fun. You know? And I agree. Yeah. I like it. And then he said 6th, 7th, 8th grade, he starts building them up.
Wow.
Let's go, Trophy.
Smart.
There you go.
Keep it. Use it.
Duck under.
Snap under. Oh,
straight to their back. There you go. Hey, look towards the cross face. You got to look towards it. Get your leg back. Get your leg back. No, get that leg back. Hands out in front of you. Let's go. Crawl forward. Hands out in front of you. Walk forward. Get your hands out in front of you and walk forward.
Keep your head up. Don't get it down good. Look for an opportunity to sit. Get separation in there. Come on. Control the hand. Keep that hand. Use it.
Watch the cradle.
Get long. There you go. Snap it. Snap it over. There you drive.
There you go,
drive. Turn it. Crack down. She's at 115 today. With a little bit more time after break. She'll be right in the right weight class.
So she's wrestling 20 today.
She wrestled all season at 20.
Watch that arm.
Try to, there you go. Head up, head up, head up, head up. Let her go, short time. There you go. Come on. Drive in. Watch it. There you go. Fight, get it. Get mad, let's go. Wrestle, go neutral. I want you to get after it. I don't want to put her down right now. She ain't got off the bottom yet. Hey, keep your elbows in. Let's wrestle. Watch your ankle. Don't let him get in where he gets your ankle. Stay on the edge.
Hey, that front leg sticking out, Trophy. Low single. It's
Throw
there.
the arm up if you have to. Throw it up. There it is. Work the grip.
There you go, Trophy. Good job. There you go. Easy. Calm down. Calm down. Get low. Hey, look at this shot, Trophy. Single leg. It's out there. Look at his right foot. Look at his right foot.
Stop watching his face. Watch his body. Watch his feet.
1 minute, Trophy. Get low. Switch. Switch.
Next up on mat 2, we have North Bay Haven versus Choctaw. North Bay Haven versus Choctaw on mat 2.
Watch her eyes when she gets back to neutral. She never looks down at his feet.
I just told her I couldn't look at his eyes. She's got to watch his chest and his feet.
She's got to keep her knee away from her head. Don't bother. See that? That walking up to her head. She's tougher than that kid, bro. Hey, let's go, Trophy. Get one. You got 30 seconds. Get one right here. Stand up. Get your feet. Find your feet. There you go. Get me one right here. 30 seconds. Oh, she almost had it. 15 seconds right here.
Watch out. Come stack. Watch it. Keep that head up. Pull that neck.
Trophy. Start of third period.
It's actually his choice.
Let's go, Trophy.
Ankle. Let's go.
Let's go, Trophy.
Trophy, look at his feet. Look at his feet.
There you go, Trophy. Good fight right there. Good fight. Let's go.
Try to stand up. Let's go. Get that knee up under you. Walk it on up. Let's go.
Trophy, grab his hand. He can't grab yours. Grab his hand. Grab his wrist. There you go. Hold on to it. Don't let it go. Now find your feet. Find your feet. 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 There you go. Tough. That's tough right there. Trophy. Get low, look for a shot.
All right, Trophy.
Gotta be lower than he is. Pay attention to his feet.
Watch your legs.
Belly out, Trophy. Belly out. Don't, or don't, or don't. Yeah. It's wide open. Hey, there's so much potential with the young kids on this team. You know, there really is. They got a lot of fight, and they just don't know what to look for. They don't know what position they're in. That's what I'm saying. It's a lot of potential if they'll stick with it. They got to stick with it. It's like Aaron. You know, he's been good job, Trophy.